Alright guys, so it's Megan and this is phase one of the kitchen redo. We've decided to take down the cabinets, put up the sheetrock, paint out the cabinets and put them back. So this is, for someone who's very organized and neat, this is going to be hard to watch. So here we go. We've taken this wall down. We're in the process of taking these pieces off, and I need to move the microwave and the electrical. As you can see, we don't have any kitchen cabinets, so everything that was in the cabinets has spilled out onto the countertops. The drywall compound is garbage. We tried bringing it back to life. It was separated. So I gotta buy a new one, but I did manage to salvage some so I can do the corner there and here and tape this part here and tape that part up there. We tried putting the ceiling tiles back on the ceiling. That did not work, so they are falling. We're gonna take them down and sheetrock this portion out up to the wall there, and then later on in a future date we're going to do the rest of the ceiling. So for now, this is what the kitchen's looking like. And in a few hours we will have the cabinets back in place.